The girl in a red dress. Once upon a time, there was a girl in a bright red dress. She walked through a forest, her dress shining like a poppy in the green grass. Sunlight filtered through the trees, casting dappled shadows on her face. A gentle breeze rustled the leaves, making the branches sway gracefully. The girl's hair blew in the wind, streaming behind her like a fiery river. She picked wildflowers, their petals soft as silk, and wove them into a crown. With a smile, she danced down the path, leaving a trail of color behind her. In the distance, birds sang sweet melodies that echoed through the woods.